Hello and welcome to the Loan Officer AI CRM. My name is Chris Johnstone, and together with Carl White, we have taken the fundamentals of what works in the mortgage industry and paired it with AI and automation technology so that you can close more deals while actually working less. It is an incredible advancement for our industry, and we can't wait to share it with you. So what we're going to do is show you 4 fundamental campaigns so that you can see how this can transform your business, and then walk you through some of the features that we've built specifically for the mortgage industry so that you can decide whether or not this is the right fit to move forward with in your business. So let's head on over and take a look. All right, here we go. 4 ways to use artificial intelligence and the Loan Officer CRM to create more deals right now. Because basically, if you think about it, where do you get your money from right now? The majority of your deals are probably coming from referrals. And there's 2 sources of referrals probably where you get the majority of your deals from. The first is your database. That's the first campaign that we're going to launch, and we've got a year-long campaign pre-built, pre-written, all the text messages, the emails, the workflows, and even the AI agent that responds back to the conversations and automatically books appointments for you. I'm going to show you that in just a second. But the second place that you get referrals from is qualified referral partners. So I'm going to show you another year-long campaign that fills your calendar with appointments with qualified referral partners that want to meet with you, that come to you automatically. Then how do you scale profitably? Well, that comes from the deals that you currently have in process. You're probably missing out on most of the referrals that you can get from deals because you're not running a proven funnel on the pre-approvals that you have. Many of those pre-approvals will refer other customers and other referral partners for you. And when you learn our follow-up refer back program that we have at the Mortgage Marketing Animals, this can absolutely transform your production from an opportunity that you already have and, of course, leads. I'm going to show you and give you a demo in this video that you can actually interact with the artificial intelligence and see how we're taking interested home buyers and using AI to have a text message conversation to convert them into actual qualified application appointments on your calendar so you can vet large volumes of leads for top producing real estate referral partners. We're gonna wrap all this together into one thing. So first off, the AI Database Activator. How to turn your database of past customers and warm contacts into a consistent flow of repeat business, referrals, 5-star ratings and reviews on Google, and new referral relationships. So inside the Loan Officer AI CRM, we have a 12-month workflow. You get a dedicated success coach, and they work with you to organize your database, get all the data as good as we can possibly get it, and then load it into the CRM. We help you through the whole process as part of the onboarding. And then we have a year-long workflow that provides value to your database every single month based on a different topic. And again, everything is pre-written for you, all the emails and all of the text messages. So we drop them in and that goes out. Now we have a little 6-figure secret. And the reason why we call that is because our good friend Jerry Maguire actually generated over $100,000 in commissions from his past customer database by running ads to them on Facebook for just $5 a day. And inside the Loan Officer CRM, we have this automatic step that you can choose to add to your workflow where you can put your past customer database into the CRM and it will automatically show ads to them on Facebook so that they remember to refer you when they have a friend, family member, or coworker that's looking to buy, sell, or refinance. It's just a special little bonus that we have in there for you. So when you launch this automation to your past customer database of emails, text messages, and online ads, you get more 5-star ratings and reviews on your Google business profile. You get repeat business from those customers, but really the main thing that we see coming from this workflow is referrals from your past customers who every month have friends, family members, coworkers, people that they're running into that are looking to buy, sell, and refinance, and you get more of that referred business to you. And because of the way that we structure all 12 months of value to that database, you also get new referral partner referrals from your past customers through this incredible new process that we've invented here at the Mortgage Marketing Animals. Let's get into campaign and workflow number 2, the AI Qualified Agent Converter. This is so incredibly powerful, I actually have to show it to you inside the CRM. So we have a partnership with an agent relationship tool called Redder, and it gives us all of the qualified agent data. So right down here, I've clicked on qualified partner lists inside the CRM. It pops up. I've done a search here for Wichita, Kansas. In the last 12 months, agents that have done a minimum of 8 buy-side transactions. That's what we consider here at the Mortgage Marketing Animals to be a qualified agent. And you can see here, there's 91 of these agents in this location. Now you get 300 qualified agents a month that you can put through this process. Look how easy this is. I select all the agents, I add 91 of them to this list, and then I view the list and push to the Loan Officer CRM. As soon as I click that button, all of those contacts go into the Loan Officer CRM. And look at how powerful this information is. You can click on this agent's information, see their volume, how many are buy side, how many are sell side, the total counts, where the volume is, and you can see their agent relationships and what lenders are getting their business. So you can actually see who they're currently working with right now before you reach out to them or they reach out to you. So you know that it's a good fit. You can also see a breakdown of all their deals and their transaction history all the way back to 2017. You can see what types of deals they're doing. There's an incredible amount of value in this, and it's included in the CRM. There is no additional charge for it. Now, when you take that agent list, it automatically goes into a year-long follow-up process that we've pre-written for you. Now, we've helped thousands of loan officers generate more business from referral relationships, and we have this saying called offers minus no's equals money, because when you are attracting top producing realtors, they all already have a lender that they're working with. And so we know that it's more about being in front of them for a long period of time, building value and demonstrating to them that you have consistent follow-up, and then being there when they have a problem in their business, when they are open to a second opinion and starting the relationship with you. So we have 7 different offers pre-written to go out to these agents, sent out over 12 months. So once you load those qualified agents into this workflow, it goes out every single month, growing your business. And yes, just like your past customer database, they can get loaded into a Facebook custom audience automatically. And for $5 a day, you can have your brand in front of just the qualified agents that you're targeting with those advertisements. So every month you're generating results from those agents. Now, one qualified agent should send you around 4 deals a year. Some might be a little bit more, some might be a little bit yes, but this is a rough target for you to shoot at. Well, if we're going to make an assumption here and say, let's say on average, every deal we make is worth about $3,000. Yours might be a little bit higher, might be a little bit lower. That's what we tend to see as an industry average. That means if that agent sends you 4 deals a year at $3,000 a transaction, each new qualified realtor relationship that you set up, that's worth about $12,000 a year. So we make thousands of phone calls every single month in the mortgage industry and use this system to automatically book appointments with qualified agents. And this is roughly what we see in our numbers. Out of the 300 qualified agents that you get every single month, you should have conversations with about half of them. That's 150 conversations that the AI CRM has on your behalf on autopilot. Then 10% of those conversations should result in appointments. That's 15 booked appointments a month. 75% of those agents will actually connect with you for that appointment. That is 11 appointments. Now, out of 11 appointments, if you only convert 25%, that's 1 out of 4 meetings that you have with qualified agents, that means every month you've got about 3 agents that are joining your mission to grow your business. And if each of those 3 agents are sending 4 deals a year, that's $36,000 over the year that you've built into your pipeline. Now check this out. This is where it gets crazy. In month number 2, you've got 300 agents from the first month and 300 agents from the second month. You've got 600 qualified agents in your system that goes for an entire year with 7 proven offers going out automatically. And when those qualified agents respond back, the AI inside the CRM helps to have those conversations with those qualified agents for you, and it alerts you that the conversation is happening so that you can jump into the conversation. So that's 600 qualified agents in your system. By the time you're in the system 4 months, that's 1,200 qualified agents going through that funnel. By the time you get to a year, you have 12 different little selling systems running in your business with 3,600 qualified agents. I know I'm talking really fast, but I'm really passionate about getting you results in your mortgage business. And when you can stack automation on top of qualified agents like this, the results can be, well, career changing, really, if you do the work. So if you're getting 3 agents a month and you run the system for a year, that could be 36 agents in a year. If you got 36 agents, each sending just 4 deals a year, that's 144 referred deals. These are not leads that you got to go chase and cold call. These are referrals from real estate agents. You've worked those deals. You know how good the quality is of those conversations and relationships that you've set up. If we've got roughly $3,000 a deal, that's $432,000. So we can be a massive, failure, for lack of a better phrase, in this system and still do incredibly well. Now, there's no income claims here, and you are the one that has to do the work. The system is there to just support you, but this is to show you the potential of, if you apply yourself, what the numbers could stack up to be like in the system. Again, no income claims. But in our industry, in the mortgage industry, we don't sell pencils. There's no lack of opportunity out there. There's no lack of deals in your marketplace. But up until this point, there has been a lack of clarity, a plan, a support person to work with you with the CRM to help make it work for you, and a pre-built system. And that's what the Loan Officer AI CRM is. And that's why we here at the Mortgage Marketing Animals are so passionate about combining the Daily Success Plan and Call Stars with this brand new software in order to help you grow your business. Let's get into workflow number 3. I call this more equals more. This is deals in process. So the more pre-approvals that you take, we want you to get more referrals and more relationships with qualified agents. Let me show you how this works. So here we are back inside the system. Now, when somebody is pre-approved, they're in what we call the hyper referral part of the process, because when somebody is pre-approved for a house and they're out and they're shopping, they're talking to everybody that they know about the home buying journey, including all of the people on social media and all of the people in their sphere that may also be looking to buy, sell, or potentially refinance. So they're actually hyper responsive to sending you referrals, but they are also connecting with all of the referral partners in the transaction that you can leverage for relationships. So inside the software, we have these things called opportunity pipelines. And you can see here, we have a lead that comes in, an application is taken, and then they're put into the pipeline stage of weekly follow-up. So this sets a reminder and automatically adds these people to your power dialer so you can make calls to them, check in on how the home search is going, and use your Just Ask script from the Mortgage Marketing Animals if they've run into anybody during their week that's looking to buy, sell, or refinance that they can refer over to you. But you're not just following up with the borrower and the co-borrower. You are also following up with the agents. Now, that is the buy-side agent and the sell-side agent. Now, you follow up more with the buy-side agent than the sell-side agent, but you want at least a couple of conversations where you talk to them about your follow-up refer back program that we teach you inside the Mortgage Marketing Animals. And you'll learn more about that in just a minute. Now look here, we've also got weekly follow-up with the title and professionals. It's an incredible way to build professionalism and generate more referrals and more referral relationships from every pre-approval that you take. And as you drag people through these pipeline stages, you just click them, drag them, drop them, and the automation that lets you know where they are in the process automatically kicks off and they're automatically added to the Power Dialer. Now, obviously, when you get them to clear to close, your process is going to change a little bit. Then they're sold, and then they go into your 4-week post-close follow-up to get that 5-star rating and review. Then all the agents that were associated with the deal go into your Thor's Hammer, and the clients go into your database marketing system. And again, the CRM is here to keep you organized, on track, and making the outbound messages that are actually going to get the low-hanging fruit that already exists in your business. The whole idea around this campaign is you already have these pre-approvals. All of the referrals are already sitting there. This just helps you go out and get that low-hanging fruit. Now, let's get to the incredibly shocking AI part of lead conversion. All right, so here we go. If you've got a cell phone, I want you to text the word apply to 844-708-4095. That's apply to 844-708-4095. You can pause the video and do that if you want, or you can just scan the QR code that's on the screen right now to experience this in real time. While you're doing that, I want you to think about putting an offer out to qualified agents who are buying leads from Zillow or Boomtown or their own consumer direct lead generation. All these top agents have budgets. You see the bench signs, you see all the advertisements. They're driving leads. What happens with those leads is they will get a call back, sometimes a text, sometimes an email, and then basically that's it. The lead follow-up is a massive pain point for these qualified agents that are paying good money for these leads. What our Loan Officer AI CRM allows you to do is give an offer to those qualified agents to say, hey, you can use our new AI lead conversion bot to follow up on all your leads, get them pre-qualified, and then when we get a pre-approval from your leads, we will refer them back to you. It's an incredibly valuable offer for you to go out to your qualified agents with, and you get all the leads for free, and the AI works the leads for you in real time. You can even set up these pre-done websites that we have waiting for you inside the CRM where you can actually drive leads. So imagine an open house on the weekend. Somebody walks into the open house, scans the QR code, comes to the lead generation page to check in to the open house. They fill in their information, and all of a sudden there's an AI mortgage pre-qualification bot asking them questions to find out whether or not they are a good lead and can actually qualify for a mortgage. And this is where the future of the mortgage industry really happens. Our settings inside the Conversation AI allow you to set it to either just do general support or to actually book appointments with these leads. And you train your AI based on you and how you like to communicate with your clients. So you get a customized version of AI with our general scripts that work pre-built into the thing. So you can see here, you can teach it by having it crawl your website or websites that have the information on them that you want your AI bot to know about mortgages. And then you can also upload documents from your company on training documents, customer service documents, and then you can actually customize the bot's responses based on the conversation that it has with people. And so for this particular example, what's the highest I can get pre-approved for? Well, if somebody asks your bot that question and you don't like the response that's come back, you just simply click on this pencil icon that says edit, and you can write your response to the question the way that you would like it to be done, Click save, and AI never forgets and always comes back with the perfect response. And your Loan Officer CRM account that's waiting for you right now is already pre-filled with the most frequently asked questions that we've gotten from our Mortgage Marketing Animals community, preloaded into the AI for you. So those are the pre-done workflows that we're going to help you immediately install in your mortgage business, working your database, a qualified list of referral partners each and every single month, helping you work your deals in process and giving you the tool that you can use to get free leads from real estate agents and convert those leads into qualified appointments on your calendar automatically with AI. So there are some incredible features that we have built into the Loan Officer CRM for you, and then let me share with you what those are before you make your purchase. So the first is the AI Power Dialer. So if you're currently paying for a Power Dialer system, you can cancel that subscription. We've got you. It's included in the system, no additional charge. The qualified agent data from Redder. If you just go buy Redder, it's $199 a month. We include that for free inside the Loan Officer CRM. The pre-built year-long campaigns for your database, your qualified agents, and all of the other opportunities that you have in your mortgage business. There's 14 pre-built workflows for you inside the system, custom to the mortgage business, built on the industry-leading practices of the Mortgage Marketing Animals, so you get the right messaging right out of the box. Our AI conversation assistant, preloaded with the most frequently asked questions in the industry, and the entire system hooks up to your calendar so that you can get automatic appointments by the shortened calendar links, but also AI can actually automatically book appointments on your calendar, and you can track everything inside the system with our pipeline tracking tool. And we also have our always-on mobile app because we know you're busy and you're on the go, and we give you the power to run your business with our mobile app so that you can take it with you. And we have just launched our brand new video marketing tool so that you can send custom video messages to lists of people or individual people inside your system. So it's as simple as clicking on the video marketing tool in the bottom right-hand corner, clicking record your video, and then you can send that out via email or text. This is phenomenal for agent updates and your marketing videos to your database. Of course, we connect with all of the other tools that help run your business. So if you can connect with Zapier, we can connect to you, and there's some incredible new integrations coming out all of the time. If you take everything that you can save just by getting into the Loan Officer CRM, you don't need a power dialer. You don't need an email and SMS follow-up system. You don't need a calendar integration tool. You no longer need a website building tool, and you no longer need a social media integration suite. So there's between $432, and if you're paying for some of the premium features in those tools, it could be up to $2,144 a month that you don't have to spend anymore. And that doesn't even include Redder, which is $199 a month. Right now, you can get access to the Loan Officer CRM for no setup fee while this video is still up. Okay, we're waiving the $500 setup fee, and it's just $297 a month. And I've got you covered with a 100% money back guarantee. So for the first 30 days, you're trying this thing out risk-free. So you're going to put your credit card information in and you're going to purchase today, but it's risk-free. You're not actually making the decision today. What you're doing is you're giving yourself the opportunity to decide if this is the right option for you. So you get to come on the inside, you get to experience the software, get paired with an account manager, set the campaigns up, experience the support, experience the calls, experience us helping you to launch the system. And if at the end of 30 days, you decide this isn't the right fit for you, ask us and we will cheerfully refund your money. Your $297 is not what this is about. This is about giving you a tool that you can leverage for the rest of your career to generate greater success in your mortgage business. That's what we're all about. Even if you decide to cancel, we'll let you keep the 300 qualified agents that you've got as a part of the first month in the system. So this is absolutely risk-free. So right now, scan the QR code or click the button below this video and invest the $297 today. So you can go ahead and scan that QR code or click the button below this video and invest today. Again, you are completely safe on the inside for a full 30 days. Now, here are some people that took the leap just like you're about to. This is Ryan Pope. What a remarkable company. This whole team is truly amazing. The CRM itself is incredible, but the level of support and guidance is what truly sets this company apart. The CRM can do things that I had only dreamed of in my imagination, and the team is always ready to help you build any of the campaigns that your heart desires. Chris, Alexa, and the rest of the team are the best. 100% recommend this company. Ryan, thank you so much. All of these are taken from our Google business profile. So Google Connection Incorporated, you can read the ratings and reviews right there on Google. We have over 100 of them, right? This one is from Matthew O'Connell. Again, in a very similar situation to where you might be right now, where you're just on the fence and you're not sure whether or not you want to take that risk-free 30-day jump into the system. Check out what Matthew has to say on the other side. I recently had an outstanding experience working with Christina regarding the utilization of the AI CRM. She went above and beyond to discuss best practices and shared invaluable ideas for maximizing the CRM's potential. At no point did I feel rushed. Instead, she demonstrated genuine interest in ensuring I received the most value from the conversation. I'm sure if you've tried other systems and you've tried, support ticket-based support, that's a pretty shocking statement, right? What truly stood out was her commitment to ongoing support. She made it clear that she was always available for follow-up calls and to answer any future questions. It was refreshing to experience such a high level of customer service, and I highly recommend working with Christina if you're looking to get the most out of your AI CRM. So if that sounds like the type of customer support experience you're in for, go ahead and scan that QR code and invest with us today. We'll move to our next testimonial here. We've only got a couple more because I'm sure this is enough for a $297 investment in the program with no setup fee. Right? Will Abbott. Connection Inc. is absolutely amazing. The customer support is second to none. They answer my questions within 24 hours, usually the same day. Between live chats, emails, phone calls, and even Facebook, they truly do put us first. Amazing. I would like to add to that we have now 3 hours of office hour calls every single day, Monday to Friday. So at any point during those 3 hours, if you want something built, you need support, you need to talk to somebody on the team, you want to get something done, pop into those office hours calls. We're there waiting for you to help you launch out or solve any problem that you have. This next one here is from Saul. I recently had the pleasure of working with Stephen to onboard my new CRM, and I couldn't be more impressed with the level of support and expertise provided. From the very beginning, Stephen was incredibly organized, attentive, and made the entire process seamless. Thanks, Stephen. Great job, Stephen. Sal, thank you so much for the testimonial. And then Kyle, who has become a good friend, but he's also very active inside our membership community with Mortgage Marketing Animals in the CRM, and he is a very advanced user. Has some incredible automations that he has built, but really came to us kind of as a starter in CRMs and really was transitioning to getting automations going in his mortgage business. So Kyle says, Connection Inc. has been a tremendous partner for us. The software has been amazing. The support is always a call, chat, or email away, and the team cares about the success of their product. We've used several CRMs in the past, and none of them have come close to comparing to the support we are getting from Connection Inc. 100% recommend them to anyone looking for a new support team. Plus, their forward thinking with Chris Johnstone behind the helm makes this a no-brainer. I don't know about that last part, but Kyle, thank you so much for the testimonial. I don't want to go on, but I do have some special bonuses for you. When you take action today, we are giving you the show, which is our pre-done website template, advertisements, and follow-up sequences so that you can run a webinar in your local marketplace. Now, this is not a consumer direct webinar like you would normally think about. It is a consumer direct webinar. But we know that the majority of your results are probably going to come from qualified agents that you leverage relationships with by hosting this webinar. So our webinars are different. And our webinars are designed where you go out and you offer to host a webinar with a top performing referral partner, either somebody who sent you business in the past or somebody that you're looking to set a relationship up with. You bring them on your webinar, you host the webinar together, and that creates the relationship. But also, you create consumer direct leads in the process. And obviously, we have an automatic follow-up sequence pre-written for you. So all those leads go through, and any of the interested parties that qualify reach out to you and end up on your calendar. Next is the live event. We actually had somebody run a live event with over 300 real estate agents all in the room. We don't know how many of them were qualified, but they were able to get over 300 realtors in a room in less than a month. The entire workflow of the campaign, the messages that were sent out and everything included inside the CRM as a special bonus for you. And then all of our website templates and our lead generation pages we give away for free. Inside the system, all of this is included in just the $297 a month. Again, keep in mind, if you buy Redder and the qualified agent data, it's $199 a month. If you buy Phone Burner or any other power dialer, great services, amazing services, so much so that we knew we had to include something like that inside the CRM. If you stack all those up, you're actually saving money in many cases by investing inside the CRM, because we include the websites, we include the lead generation pages, and many people out there are spending $1,000 to $3,500 a month just for media buyers to generate leads. So if you're generating leads in the mortgage industry and you're paying a company to run your ads for you, our media buying team is available to you on the office hours calls, no additional charge. You can show up, they will go into your account and they will run the ads in your account. So you get all the data, you get all the lead gen. You don't have to pay a markup on the leads or the service to run the leads for you. We give you the websites and access to our media buyers for free. So you get the full benefit of the advertising campaigns. And of course, I think from the testimonials, you can see we truly are industry leading with our customer support. So today, go ahead, scan that QR code or click the button below this video. Invest the $297 in the Loan Officer AI CRM per month. And we are very much looking forward to seeing you on the inside. Again, my name is Chris Johnstone, and I'm really looking forward to seeing you on the next step on your journey.